So let's talk about clean ingredients. So the book allows you to make your own list of 20 or more, but I give you guidelines. And as you can see, it's a plethora of food. For example, avocados, one of my favorite.
I love avocado.
Berries are important, lots of antioxidants. If you can have chicken.
I love chicken.
You can have nuts, which are phenomenal.
What's that? Kale.
Kale. But
you go and eat that kale, girl. I saw your kale recipe. It look good. But can you mix it with something?
Yes.
What would you mix it with? Collard greens or something to make it?
Well, you can make kale taste exactly like collard greens.
Yeah, well, I'm getting
to sugar.
So the book has what are called basket buddies, which is if you don't like kale, then there's collard greens, there's cabbage, so you have all kinds of options for people who don't like certain things or have allergies.
Potatoes.
You eat too many potatoes, you feel.
I love potato chips, mashed potatoes.
But you can have
potatoes.
Potato on top of potatoes.
You can have mashed.
You can have mashed sweet potatoes.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, these are all the things that you can have, and the book.
I can have that and not mashed potatoes, regular potatoes.
No.
Because why? Really? Because it's white?
Glycemic index.
Oh.
Right. Now, I want to show you some of the rules. For example, and a lot of programs say you can't have dairy. Dairy is good for you. It has a lot of healthy things. If it agrees with you, it's fine to have. You don't have to have it, by the way.
Be home alone.
Okay. No alcohol for 20 days.
That's gonna be hard.
Are you kidding?
You can.
No, I might have.
You heard it?
Rachel, I might have to leave.
If you're drinking juice, it has to be freshly squeezed because a lot of juices from concentrate have preservatives and other kinds of chemicals in them. Water.
I can do that.
No MSG.
Okay.
No frying for 20 days. No white flour. Be careful with your condiments. Yes, you're going to have some, and the book shows you how to make some of the condiments so that they're clean. And then your salad dressings are good, but with restrictions because a lot of salad dressings, unfortunately,
super fat and sugar.
are super fattening sugar.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to show you, for example, how to make your own mayo, your clean mayo. So, Rachel, you can help me with this, please. So we have an egg. Dump an egg in.
You really need me to put the egg in the...
Well, we're doing it together.
Jeez.
We're a team. We're going to have some salt, about a half a teaspoon of salt. Apple cider vinegar over the shoulder.
Yep.
We'll do a little honey in here. Do a little bit of oil first. Just a half a cup of oil, but just a little first. Like so, right? Okay.
Why are you doing this if you're using half a cup of oil? I thought you were going to use some sort of substitute or something.
No, the oil is actually your oil, and it's extra virgin olive oil, which is very clean. A little mustard. So we're gonna blend this in like this. A lot of the mayos and condiments are full of sugar and preservatives and additives, and so you need to be able to make your own. Okay, and so once we do that, we're gonna have a nice mayo. Now, typically you allow it to sit for about 60 seconds. So you allow it to sit. She likes tuna fish,
Came out perfect, by the way.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I love tuna fish.
Beautiful.
You like tuna fish, right?
I love tuna fish.
When you buy tuna fish, make sure you can buy canned tuna fish.
In water.
Make sure that it's in water.
And that it's line caught and
right.
sustainable.
Sustainable, pole caught, line caught. That's the kind of tuna fish you want to buy. So you put all this together. Very nice. You like pickles?
No, I love pickles.
Right?
Oh,
I love pickles too.
And a little black pepper, maybe?
So the book allows you every day. It spells out for you what you're going to eat. Every meal is planned out for 20 days. But the beauty is you get to decide what you're going to make in it. So if you want chicken one day, if you want ground turkey, you make the decision if you want tuna fish. And once again, you can have bread, but please remember, it needs to say one of two things, either 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat.
So you can pick the 20 days. You guys work on when that's starting. It'll be at least next week. You can finish your green room potato chips.
That's right.
And then we want you to come back, would you? Would you?
If I'm successful.
Okay.
Oh, you're going to be successful.